Ball strike by Emmy Cardenas, class of 23, number 6. Dropping in that curve. Foul ball over the fence on a little changeup. 0-2. Ball just outside on the curve. Swing and a miss. Punched her out. 1 out. Emmy Cardenas in the circle, class of 23. Catching that was number 51, Ava Gall, class of 23. Up to bat, number 31. Top of 5, 1 out. 1-1 tie ball game. Ball 1. Foul ball down the third base fence over by the dugout. You got big gates there, so nobody's really any trouble other than the girl on deck on the other side. All 2 inside, 2-1. Ball gets hit weak. Out to first. Got a weak ground ball. Hit to Abby Ruiz, number 8, 2023. Across the first base, Alyssa McClure, number 25, class of 2023 for the out. 2 outs. Ball strike on that sliding curve drop. Emmy Cardenas, number 6, has been hitting that spot to the front of the plate all day. Tries to throw a little floater, gets away from her. 1-1. Gets a change up over the shortstop into shallow left center for the single. Kind of just waited for it. Back to the top of the lineup. Foul ball. Batter was looking to slap there. Hit that thing a little late. One and one. Pitching that ball away from that left-handed batter. 2-1 the count. Foul ball. Got a 2-2 count, 2 outs. Runner on first, top of 5.
Grind out the at-bat, let's go.
High ball game, 1-1.
3-1-5.
Firecracker Brashear Hicks 16U against Athletics Mercado Cook. Little pop fly. The shortstop for the 3rd out of the inning.